are at Castle in the Clouds Conservation Area, and I am here with Yowie. Woohoo! And over there is Crystal and Belinda. So we're very excited to be here today to get started. Hey everyone, so over here and in New Hampshire today, and I'm pretty excited to be here. I'm going to be seeing some waterfalls and some pretty sights with some great company. Alright, so we're on Shannon Brook Trail and we're heading down. We're going to take the Lower Brook Walk, which is point 2, and there's supposed to be a whole bunch of waterfalls. So I'm excited. There's my group. My favorite, a bridge. You guys know how much I love bridges and boardwalks and boardwalks and anything like that. Ooh, you're gonna be heading down there to that bridge and boardwalk. Very exciting! We're heading that way. You see the beautiful waterfall behind us? Well, today we're making an announcement that Yowie and I are starting the AT together. Woo! Waterville Falls is number 6. We start at number 7. Counting down. We're supposed to pass 7 of them.
That's a waterfall. 2 out of 7.
And we're too close. Number 5. We're going backwards. Look over here.
Number 5. I'm looking at it.
There we go. Number 4, the Cascades. There's a smaller waterfall, but still very pretty. Number 3.
She's a good girl. She's a princess. Mine is the best.
Twin Falls, number 2.
a
Final
day off
waterfall.
today.
Waterfalls. Alright, the trail is closed that way, so we're going to go the other way.
I'm lucky you got a shirt on. Usually I look very fortunate. Nothing else on my body. No shoes, no bra, no shirt.
Made it to the other end. I don't know where we're going next, though. I'll let you know when I know. Coming by the pond. It's beautiful. Mount Roberts.
No! Hitting on the duck.
He's handsome. There he is, a handsome boy. There's Mrs. Mallard.
I am not a fashion statement at all, and I don't care. I get to a certain age in my life, and I'm like, nope.
They're trying to figure out which way we're going. Crystal's supposed to know where she's going, but she doesn't.
Blister Toes is getting us lost.
Ah, yeah. They're trying to name her Blister Toes. Her trail name. We shall see if it sticks. There they all are, looking at the map.
Why don't we just go blue? And go.
Look at that view. There's the castle. So we're heading back to the car. We were going to do Bald Knob cutoff and go over to Bald Knob, but there is a thunder and lightning and rainstorm heading our way in probably 20-25 minutes. So probably being on a Bald Knob with thunder and lightning is a bad plan. And it would add about 3 miles, so we wouldn't make it out and back in 20 minutes. So we're heading back down to the car. I've been having a great time, so I just wanted to check in, say thanks so much for joining us today. We saw so many beautiful waterfalls, and I'll show you just a bit more after, but hope you guys are all having a great week. As always, keep hiking, and hope to see you out there. All right, one more time. Yowie, give us a wave. Crystal, wait. Belinda, yay! All right. I love meeting new. It's great meeting new friends.